Ivan, it's time for Dollar General's do now deals. Now, these are some quick deals you can run and do, but they are good. And guys, my app did not load until last night at about 7 o'clock, so that's why you did not see anything today. Let's see it now. Let's first, the place we're going to end up is on the ends. The owl with the refreshers. Now, I missed this deal because my app did not load yesterday at all. And I think it kind of froze up from all of these, from the glitches that was here. So you see the small space yesterday, this deal was buy one for $3.50 and you got one free. And then it will save $3.50 on two, which made these come out to 25 cents. So if you're doing this today, which I hate that you missed this deal, guys, you're gonna buy two for $3.50. So you're gonna go $3.50 divided by 2, and you'll pay $1.75 for them. So that is an awesome deal. So pick up 2 of those. That is one of the deals today. Now this is what I want you guys to come look at. We're gonna make us a little money this today with the Glade. See the Glade right here, the fresheners. We're gonna scan that because this is a good deal and I don't want you guys to miss it. Okay, it's at $3. Look at that. Earn $2 on the 1 count, and it's a limit of 3. So you can buy 3 of those and earn $2 back. So pick up as many of those as you want, up to 3, and you'll pay $1 for each one. If you want to, you can go to Walmart and do the same exact thing, and then here it is right here at Dollar General. Now, if your accounts are attached, then this is not going to work for you through Ibotta. So I already clipped mine through DG, so that's what we'll be using it at, okay? But I always clip the one through Walgreens because somehow I get over there and do that deal too. So let's go to the next deal. Let's come right here, guys, to the Clorox right here. The Clorox bleach is $4 right here, and we have a $1 coupon, and they made it clear that it's $4 or more, because remember, was attaching to these. I just scanned it did not attach to that. So if you need bleach, grab your bleach. On here, the Mr. Clean Freak right here is $5. When I scan it, it shows it's $5, but we have a $1 manufacturer coupon. Clip that. But look, guys, we have a spend 30, save 10. I am going to do a deal on the spend 30, save 10, so be looking out on that on Tuesday. We're going to get us a deal in on that, okay? And you also can use that Mr. Clean right here, and the one that's $4.25 is at $4. Look, that $1 attached, and it also attaches to that one. So if you want to kind of make sure you even your game out, that's $5, that's $4, you pay $3 for that one. Guys, I just want to, let's get to our next freebie. Is going to be on the Dime Platinum. Scan your Dime Platinum. Okay, it's at $4, and you have a 4 off 2 coupon. All right, so you can use that buy one get one. I love these, but the lemon smell awesome, so I'm gonna pick 2 of those up. Remember, 5 off 25. This make an awesome deal. Okay, I want to show you, we've been getting so much Arm & Hammer. Let me show you. Look at that, $5. But look, the coupon, it's a DG coupon now. So we cannot, we won't be able to use, we'll be able to use it 5 off 25, but we'll have to cover that 5 off of 25, which is weird. We're gonna come right here to the Tide Simply. The Tide Simply is originally $3.80, $3.75. It is on sale 2 for $5. It's a DG coupon, and then it's a part of the spend 30 save 10, but it's also a DG coupon. So remember, you have to cover whatever is over that 5. So you have to cover those that right there, okay? Was stupid. I don't know why they did that. Just want to come right here to this liquid Swiffer. It's originally $2.95. It's on sale for $2.75. They gave us a 50-cent manufacturer. It is a spend 15 get 5 off, 2 spend 15, and then a 2 for 5. So they have like 3 instances going on with the Swiffer already. Then on the Snuggle. The Snuggle is $3.75, and we have 2 coupons. We have that spend 15 get 5 DG, and then we have that $1 off manufacturer, $1.25. Let's go right to the purse here. You got an excuse to talking in the back, guys. They unloading. It's at $5, and they gave us a $1.50 coupon that was already there. Now, Then you have the spend 15, save 5. But look, guys, the earn $2 is more than the $1.50 coupon. But since I clip both, what I would do is I will pick up 2 of these. I will pick 2 up. Come over here to the Swiffer aisle. Another deal on the Swiffer is this is $10. You got a $2 coupon right here. Look at that, $2. And then it also is a part to spend 30, save 10. We're gonna do that deal. It's on your next shopping trip. Now remember that. It'd be awesome to do and be ready for Friday. The RC colas are 5 for $5, so you can pick up 2 liters for $5. But a part of my Lent, guys, is that I am not drinking any soda. The whole entire house, I cleared it out. A little bit. I'm gonna come right here to the Eggo waffles. They are 2 for $5. And here they are right here, and then they're 2 for $5. Okay, guys, I lucked up. Guess what I did? I came right over here to these. They're $3.50. Let me show you when I scan it. I'm going to scan the actual product right here. So this deal might be still going on. Let's see. Okay, here it is. $3.50. $3.50, save 2, buy 1, get 1 free. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to pick up 2 of these right here, and I'm going to see if that deal works, okay? Yay. If it doesn't work on your small space, try it on these, and I can pretty much see they've been using it already on that, okay? So let's get to one last deal that is awesome. We'll come right down here to the air freshener aisle. I mean to the body wash aisle, guys. I'm so sorry. My mind is hooked on that body wash. We're going to come right here. You're going to pick up 2 of these Dow Men's right here. 2 of these right here. They're at $8, so let's scan them. And when you scan it, you see it's $7.50. We have coupons. We have a spend 15, get 5 off. Those dials are a part of that. Then this is a manufacturer, so you're going to earn $2 off of 1. Those are manufacturing DG stack. Then you're going to do this one. Buy 1 Dow body wash, get 1 select Dow hand soap for free. Okay? You're going to pick up 2 of these right here. And then you're going to pick up 2 of these right here. And they are at $7.50 each. $15. Take that 5 off. 10. Take the $2 cash back off. $10. Once you cash out, take your $2 cash back off that 1. Now scan your Dow body wash. This is what you're gonna do. Scan it. It's $1.50, but it's free. You have 25 cents back on 1 of those. So far you're getting $2.25 back. So minus your 25 cents, you're at $7.75. To Ibotta, you're gonna claim your. Let's see if my DG ain't working. Dead. Okay. If you can claim it through DG, that'll be great. Okay. So we on the DG. See, my account is not linked. 25 cents. The $2. The $1.50 back. And here. Tap that one. I'm gonna link my account. And then you'll get that other $2 back for that one. Once I link that, I'm gonna scan my receipt and get my $2 back on that. And then I'm going to scan my receipt. Then it's going to also pick the 25 cents up for the second body soap. Leave me at $5.50. Divide that by 4 and you'll pay $1.37 each. Or go to your wallet and I made $6. Or you're going to pay this last. Make your $6 off of these 3 Glades. Then pay for this. That's what you're going to do. Pay for this first. Get your $6. Then pay for this. That's going to be free. So there you go. And these will be 25 cents. So all freebies today. All right, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share Ivy's coupon cap. Bye.